M0FXB, welcome back to my videos on the Quantum Spectrum SDR that you can just see there in the background. It is actually connected to my G9, just see there, and it works really well. But anyway, I thought I'd give you the link for the app that works with the Wi-Fi to have an external sort of screen, let's call it, where you can view the waterfall. If you look here, you'll see a video of Rob demonstrating it, and we have to thank Rob for his passion for this product, which is evolving all the time. So yeah, he's demonstrating it there. Now, I've not set it up. This really is a link to the APK. Well, it's not an APK, the software that you download. I'll put the direct link in the description, which I've just hit, and it's working fine. So if we go to my downloads here and click it, and I'm actually running this with you for the first time. Why not? That's the way I prefer to do it. So double click, and I have actually set up the Wi-Fi on my device. If you want, I could quickly show you that here. I've made another video, but let's just quickly do it anyway. So all you do, it's a bit awkward with the when I'm filming, but let's just do it. So you hit the menu like so, and then down here it says Wi-Fi. So the first box here, you'll get these boxes with the new firmware, so definitely recommend you do that, and there's a video showing how. So you go down level with Wi-Fi, and then I don't really want to show you my passwords, but when you swipe down here, it will open that window where it says Wi-Fi menu, and in there you can put in your username and passwords. Now the password is underneath, so there's two separate sections. One's called SSID, one's called password, and then if you to open up your keyboard to enter those digits, yeah, you swipe here. You don't, there's not an enter, there's a swipe down when you're next to it. Okay, and I have made a video showing that. So let's have a look at this software. It says install this folder on your PC or tablet. Able to run standard Java applications, then run the jar file which is in the application. Use shortcuts to have quick access to this file. Java does not require an installation file. More information from Quantum, and there's their email. Okay, I'll extract it to a new folder I've created. Just go right click, new folder on your desktop. So we're going to go extract to. And this isn't really a setup, this is just me tinkering in front of you. The main thing is you've got the link to download it. That's what this video is for. But anyway, I put it on my desktop, and we'll go to view. I call it view quantum. There is that. Click OK. So it's now in that folder that I created just here. Double click. Double click now, and if I just reboot my Quantum, watch this. I'm just going to reboot it and see what it does now that I've got my Wi-Fi in. So we'll unplug it and then plug it back in, and you'll see that it will see that it's trying to connect to Wi-Fi now, but this has already been set up, of course. Then it says Wi-Fi mux, and it gives us 2 IP addresses. Wi-Fi ready, and we've got 104. Oh, that was quick. Let me do that again, but it's quite a quick connection, isn't it? So I want to make sure I note them down now. It's better to have a static IP, of course, but anyway, we're just having fun here. So it was 192.168.0.104 was one, and one of them I'm pretty sure said display. One, it was 09. Did you see that? 192.168.0. I'm going to look at it just one more time. So I was writing, so let's quickly look. It's very fast. Like so. All set. Wi-Fi ready. Yeah. 0.9 for display is what it said. So it's sending, you know, the image that we're seeing on the Quantum via Wi-Fi, and then this app somehow is making it all work, and I've never used it. So back to the instruction. It says install this folder on your PC tablet. able to run the standard Java. I think we need to know what the IP address is of this actual computer. So the way you do that is at the bottom here, go right click, network, then go to, let's have a look now. Well, we're on Ethernet, double click there. And we're looking for, and I see that my IP address there is 0.117. I'm going to write that down. Okay. And IPv4. That's the one I think it is. So then it says, run the jar file, the shortcuts to have quick access to file. Java does not require installation file, more information. So the .jar file, so we're going to minimize. And there's a .jar there. We're going to double click and click OK. So this is where we get stuck now. So I decided to install Java. I actually just put Java into search and it was already on my PC. So let's double click the file. We are determined now. Then we're going to double click Quantum. We're going to right click and we're going to go open with Java. Let's see what this does. Well, it's sort of highlighted it. I'm going to click OK. And everything's turned on. Let's see what happens. Okay, after a couple of clicks, we got this. And I just double clicked the Java. I didn't actually go open with, I just double clicked it. This happened. I'm going to click allow access. And then, at least we've got this window now. Looking good. And of course, it's not connected yet. Give me time to suss that one out. Remember that we're going to do another video anyway. So, but just look at some of the selections we've got. We've got trace here. Pause, full screen, and close. So we just need to know where we set it up. So let's just minimize this. Set up the actual, put in the IP addresses. Well, we're making progress. We put the, the IP in the remote ID. Let me just show you where that went. So we just go menu, down to IP. In the end, I use my Wi-Fi one. Swipe down to the third one where it says remote IP, down, that's changed. Let me just delete that. So, of course, that's still showing what my Ethernet was. So we're just going to go delete 6 and then enter. And then we want to save. And just to make sure it's there, we're just going to swipe down again. Oh, wrong one. I'm changing the port. Don't change the port there. You'll muck it up. 10440. Yeah, that's enter. We go save. And then back to normal screen, exit. And you'll see on my actual computer here, it actually says 116, okay? So let's just close it again. Double click it. And installing Java brought everything to life. So we got the right IP showing. And so we're very, very close. You know me, I like to do videos as I learn as well as the final product. So this is definitely not a teaching video. So I had to pause a little bit and it all came to life. So thank God for that. So yeah, I'm glad that we've got it working. Turn up the volume. And you can see there, that's working. What's trace? Oh yeah, okay. This is good, isn't it? I knew I'd love it because I'm a gadget addict. I'm going to post this video and then I'm going to do another video with a complete setup. Bye for now.